Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the new updated pie hack, like the apple pie hack on Team Crust. So select this flower crown and I'm just going to color it white for the whipped cream. If you can, just color the white like matte like this. You can also like add in a little bit of like white in there. I mean like cream color in there if you'd like to. For this one, I'm just going to position the X at 0.6, the Y at 0.27, the Z at 0.04, and then rotate the X to a 1, the Y and the Z the same, and scale it all the way down to a 0. Then I'm just going to get the apple here and I'm just going to toggle it to the right arm, which is already like this. I'll change the pattern later on. And then we're going to get this hat here, this one. I think we're supposed to color it with the like pattern here. This one, the like basket pattern, that's what I call it. Position the X at 0.66, the Y at 0.22, the Z at 0.14, and rotate the X to 0, the Y at 0.47, the Z at 0.73, and we're going to scale it down to 0.12, like this. Okay. Then for the third one, we're going to use this hat for the plate. I'm just going to color it white all around. So, whoops. So for this one, position the X at 0.63, the Y at 0.13, the Z at 0.14, and scale it all the way to 0 for the plate. Okay. Oh, and then we're also going to need these flowers here. I'm just going to color them white first. Can't color it in matte though, unfortunately, but for this one, we're going to want to position the X at 0.62, Y at 0.35, Z at 0.20, and then rotate the X to 0.08, the Y at 0.90, and then the Z at 0, whoops, and we're going to scale it all the way to 0.04 for more of the whipped cream. And lastly, we just need the cherry on top, which we will use the microphone. Color it like the stem green, and then the cherry red, obviously, like that. And then for this one, position the X at 0.83, the Y at 0.58, the Z at 0.12, and then rotate the Y to 1, the Z at 0.04, and scale it the same. And well, that is your pie, your cherry pie, or whatever pie you want this to be on Team Crust. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!